In this video, I'll be sharing 2 powerful ways to speed up your video production using AI. Hey, it's Arit here from Essetino Media, and both of these AI tools that I'll be sharing are going to help supercharge your idea stage, like coming up with ideas, scripting your videos, as well as, get this, transforming or repurposing long-form video content into shorter bite-sized clips without needing to actually sit there watching hours of your own videos. More on that later. Let's get right into it. Let's first start off with what video should I create? So if you ever get stuck in that stage, ChatGPT is your brainstorming buddy. I'll show you how I use ChatGPT for this stage. You can give it a keyword or a topic to jumpstart ideas. So you'll see here on the screen, I told it, come up with 10 unique video titles on the topic of, and then plug in whatever topic you want to create a video on. AI and content creation is what I plugged in for this video. And it spat out, you could see here, 10 different ideas, right? And they're all quite general in a sense of AI and content creation. So it's up to you at this point to actually read through these, see which one you like, and then you can jump off from there and say, yes, I want to create a video on that. Or you can tell it to get a little bit more specific. And this way, it's like literally having a brainstorming session with a buddy in the room, and you're bouncing off ideas off of each other. So I personally use it to start off with video concepts from a high level. And then once I see something I like, I'll ask it to give me a video script on that. So I said, this is the prompt I gave it. I like this one. And then I copied and pasted number 4 here. And then I said, write a video script for me on this topic. Mention using ChatGPT for idea generation and writing scripts. Also talk about Opus for creating short video content. So when I read this, I was like, okay, I also want to mention this in the video. So I fed it some additional information, more specifically using ChatGPT and Opus, which we'll talk about in a second. And as you can see here, it will give you a word for word video script and outline, even like storyboarding. It'll give you certain prompts for what to show on the video or on the screen in between what you say. And for me personally, I don't feel comfortable just regurgitating whatever it gives me and just filming it word for word. I like to make it my own. But what happens is you have a good starting draft to look at and see, okay, what are the important points for this video? And then you can just talk over those points, explain things in your own way, polish it up, create your own stories, make it your own. Or I do know some people who just read the script word for word. It's already there for you. You can also ask it to give you an outline, just a bullet point outline rather than a full written video script, if that's more helpful for you. And then you can take that outline when you go filming and just use the bullet points to keep you on track with what to say in the video. The whole idea here is that it saves you a ton of time with coming up with that initial draft, and I'm using the free ChatGPT version and it works fine for what I need. Okay, now let's talk about Opus Clip. And very important, look for Opus Clip, not Opus. I'm going to include a direct link down in the description below so you can check it out, because those two things are different. So Opus Clip is very good if you already have long form videos. Maybe you've been interviewed, you have guest interviews, maybe you have a podcast, or you did a presentation, or you generally create longer videos. What you can do is take those videos, stick it into Opus Clip, and in a click or a couple clicks, depending on how much you want to customize it further, it will spit out bite-sized videos, short form videos, complete with your branding, your colors, animation, captions. And these videos can be used for YouTube Shorts, it could be used for TikTok, it could be used for Instagram Reels. And that's what we do. We take our longer form videos from our YouTube channel and then repurpose that content for Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. What's really cool about this tool is that you don't have to sift through and watch all of the footage to clip it out, because it works on what's called a virality score. So the AI has a way of understanding what pieces or parts in your long form video could be good for a short bite-sized video. It will spit out like 10 or a bunch of different video clips as an example, and it will rank them based on virality score. And what you can then do is go watch the ones with the highest virality score to see if it makes sense to just use that as a short clip. And like I said, I'll include a link to both ChatGPT and Opus clip in the description. For Opus, they do have a forever free plan, meaning you can use it as much as you like for free if you won't be uploading more than 60 minutes of video footage per month. But since we use it so much, we just upgraded to the paid plan. And it's been a huge help in repurposing our content and getting more pieces of social media content out there without having to refilm more things. So there you go. The ChatGPT and Opus Clip Dream Team is here to supercharge your content creation and video production with AI. And if, by the way, you want to be notified when we're hosting our next live hands-on content creation workshop, be sure to opt into our free newsletter, our Create Profitable Content Playbook. It's the first link in the description down below, so you can be notified. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.